Now that you've learned to combine inferences in the red and green directions, we're going to add the blue direction as well. As before, the most important thing to do is take your time and make sure you see both inferences. To practice, go to the 5th Scene tab. We're going to draw a box from this rectangle. Start drawing a line from one of the corners, find the blue axis, and draw your line using that blue axis. Now I'm going to draw across in the red direction. And to find my inference, I'll hover for 2 seconds on this corner, and then find the red direction again, and where it meets up with the blue inference. I'll carefully click there and finish this side of the box. Now all other sides are drawn the same way. Start an edge and find the combination of red and blue or green and blue inferences to draw the remaining sides. Try to complete this box and remember you can always undo your steps if needed and redraw edges until you finish the box. As you continue to practice, let me show a very common problem that will definitely happen to you. When you are orbiting your model, from some views, the red or green axis and the blue axis will overlap. In this example, this happens if I orbit so my view is aligned with the side of the box. Now, if I try to draw a line extending this corner, the green and the blue axis directions are nearly overlapping, and I could easily draw my edge in a direction I didn't intend to. This happens to everyone and is just one more reminder to take your time and watch your inferences. Also, a quick orbit will make these inferences more distinct and easier to use. For more practice drawing with the blue axis, jump to the 6th Scene tab, which is a slightly more complicated shape, and see if you can complete all the sides to build this volume out. This may require you to navigate around a bit, but it's great practice for inferencing. Of course, we'd usually be using the push-pull tool to create this block, but see if you can complete this exercise using only the line tool.